Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
UMP ka Kongres Natura Saleng sangma ulata kranting ya ka sarkar ha ka bayade bat ka CM Guidebook. Habakran makinong thok khobor Saleng sangma uloong bakajing wanra jong ka sarkar ya ka CM Guidebook kapalong bawat ya ki bamjulet school ru ki pas matrik thek klem ka jing pinjitom meladi. Uloong bakani ka jingle ka sarkar ka bu jingma ya kalawei ki samna Pule. Kani ka jingle ka sarkar kade ka jingle kutlat ban penpau shabar baka jilla kalakiyo Hynrei kantan Arsut ya ka jilla ha kini kisnem banwan. UMP ka Kongres uloong baki kemeki kpa ki pa school ya ki khon bakin nangkin start Hynrei ladangi penon kam ya kani ka guidebook klempep kan pendu ya ki samla Pule ban pelut ya kapor ban Pule kot namarkin ong bet batang na ka guidebook kin pas bet ya ki exam. Uloong bakani ka jingle ka sarkar kan bu jing ya ki khna jong ka jilla khamtam ban ya khun persha ya ki we ki samla Pule na ki we ki jilla.
You see, it was a desperate move on the part of the government to bring our state into the limelight, where it has gone down so very badly. In the last few years back, our result was so not good. Look at the education system and the education quality that we have got. Not like before anymore. Even if you talk about the result is so good, so achieving, it's a wrong on the part of any parents to say that, oh, my child has done everything. You cannot be proud because this matriculation result and the result which you are adhering to, it will not be fruitful in the long run. Okay? Now, we send our children to the schools so that we create a well-equipped, educated and knowledgeable, youth. But instead, the ready-made answers, do you think these children will go with the books anymore in the future? They will go only with the same guidebook only. They don't need the books anymore. Why they will refer the book anymore? Tell me. When they have got the ready answer in that CM guidebook, why the hell they need to learn even in the schools also? They just can take the guidebook, write the exam. They don't need the percentage even to attend in the schools anymore. They can pass. They just need the CM guidebook. So what kind of a qualitative education that you will be teaching to your children in the future? Instead of bringing them up, you are destroying the education culture. You are destroying the whole, spirit of the education. So where the quality lies? What kind of a moral that you are teaching to our youngsters? You know what? They will dance to every concert. They will, they will shout to every concert. At the end, they will pass the exam. And at the end, they won't get a job. They will be a servant for everything. So, they will be a slave to their own disguise. So what will be their future? Their future will be at stake. Do you think our children who has passed in this exam will be qualified to compete in the other state? Tell me. Will they be able to compete with the QUET or NEET or JEET or anything competitive? Will the chief minister give them a guidebook, CM guidebook, to pass those things also? They should provide. They should provide the same thing that they have provided our students to pass this examination just for the sake of getting the namesake, because previously they have done so worse. Our Meghalaya is one of the worst education system. Now they are bringing the worstest of the worst. It will not be the best. Okay? Do you just expect, just because they have given a good result, doesn't mean that you are expecting the good quality students to come up in the future? The student has to fight. The student has to know that they have been fooled. The student, every parent has to realize they should not celebrate. They have to realize what will happen to them in the future. They have to realize by now. And they should seek the guidance of all those who are already there, who knows about the education, who knows about the culture, who knows about the moral responsibility. This government doesn't have a moral responsibility to take care of our society anymore. Look at the drugs addict. Our people are consumed already. More than 3 lakhs plus. I'm not saying this one. It's already said by our minister on the floor of the house. How many population do we have? Only 30 lakhs. That means 10% of our youths. When you talk about the youths, that means not more than 10%. It may be 20%. The total number of ours, the area is, the population is only 30 plus lakhs. That means if you talk about the youths, if it is 3 lakhs plus, that means more than 10% of our youths has been already addicted to drugs. What about the HIV? How many numbers of HIV that we have in our state right now? Go to hospitals, you will see. You will cry when you see the young people affected with the HIV, AIDS, They don't bother about these things. They just bother about entertaining the people. They don't bother about. They are bother about getting the loan. They don't bother about finishing the project that has been given by the center. Look at the Shillong Medical College. Look at the Tura Medical College. Look at lots of institutions that has been already been given by the center. How many institutions that has been given by the center they could provide with the UC so that we finish all the projects at the earliest? Have they done so far? How many numbers of projects? Tell me. Lots of projects. Center has given lots of program to our state. The package itself cannot be finished at the time given. That's why we are taking loan. Center has provided lots of money, I'm telling you, through all the programs, for all the projects. But the state end up blaming the previous government every now and then. For any issues, they keep on blaming the previous government.